In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disconnect Gmail from Notion Mail step by step. This is useful if you've connected the wrong Gmail account, you're switching emails, or you simply want to remove Gmail access from Notion for privacy or security reasons. The process is quick, but the settings can be easy to miss if you don't know where to look. I'll walk you through everything clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account where Notion Mail is enabled. Once you're inside Notion, look toward the top area of the interface where your account controls are located. You'll see a small arrow icon next to your workspace or profile. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens up the main account menu where you can manage your settings and preferences. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where Notion keeps all account-level options, including security, integrations, and connected services. Once you're inside the settings page, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage multiple workspaces, because connections are workspace-specific. Now, inside Settings, look for the option labeled Connections. Click on Connections to view all the third-party services that are currently linked to your Notion account. This is where Notion Mail integrations like Gmail are managed. On this page, you'll see a list of connected apps and services, including Gmail if it's currently connected. Once you see Gmail listed, look to the right side of the Gmail connection. You'll notice three dots, also known as the Options or Overflow menu. Click on those three dots to open additional actions for the Gmail connection. This menu allows you to manage or remove the integration. From the drop-down options, click on Disconnect Account. Notion will then show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you actually want to disconnect Gmail from Notion Mail. This step is important because disconnecting will stop email syncing and remove Gmail access from Notion. To finalize the process, click Yes to confirm. Once you do this, Gmail will immediately be disconnected from Notion Mail. Your Gmail account will no longer be linked, and Notion will stop accessing your email data. If you ever want to reconnect Gmail in the future, you can do so by coming back to the Connection section and setting it up again from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected Gmail from Notion Mail. This is a great step if you're cleaning up integrations, improving account security, or reorganizing your workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, up-to-date Notion and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.